So LinkedIn is a professional network. Okay, we have several social media platforms. Okay, Facebook, Twitter, and now it is LinkedIn. Okay, so each and every social media platform has got its own uniqueness. Facebook is an entertainment platform where all age range of people may be available. Twitter is considered as a VIP network, especially people who are big shots, people who are public figures, celebrities, CEOs of the companies. Okay, not even CEOs of the companies, but still people who are into the civic life, the social life, the election or into politics, whatever we call it as. Twitter, even leading organizations like IRCTC, right, government organization, central government organization, private organization, okay, those organizations are available on Twitter platform. Okay, now this is basically a professional network. LinkedIn is a professional network where you will be connecting with the employees of an organization, CEO of an organization, CFO, the founder, okay, the director. Okay, so throughout the process, okay, it will be using or it will be linking to professional network. Okay, people who are actually connecting with each other on the professional range. Like Facebook has a personal profile and a business profile, LinkedIn also has a personal profile. Whatever we are seeing right now is a personal profile. And for your business, there is something called company page. So LinkedIn company page. Okay. So we will be creating a LinkedIn page for your company so that we can create advertisements. Okay. Unlike any other advertising platform or any other social media platform. Okay. LinkedIn is yet another source exclusively for people who are into the HR industry. Okay, people who are into this HR industry, they use this particular platform to connect with people with the perfect skill set. Okay, and take it up as their ad or their resources that they can use it. Okay, so whenever you do something on LinkedIn without making any payment or doing some activities organically by using a hashtag, by uploading a photo or uploading a video or uploading an event that we are going to create, and by writing an article. Okay, you can write an article about a topic in LinkedIn too, right? Basically articles are missing at a practice. Okay, doing any of these activity and increasing your LinkedIn followers and also gaining businesses and activity can be considered as organic methods. Okay, LinkedIn also offers advertising and also advertisement campaigns here na paid programs. Okay, so if you click on the profile icon which is there on the right side, okay, so there are several options like settings, privacy, language, post, activity, company. So Amudhakumar digital marketing company, Amudhakumar, something like that. So job posting account. Okay. LinkedIn also has a paid advertisement stuff. Let me try to figure out where it is. Okay. Okay. If you are not finding it up here, we will take it from ads, advertising. Okay. So if you look into this one, at the bottom there is option of advertising. Okay, so we click on this particular one, it will take us to LinkedIn advertising marketing solutions. Okay, so LinkedIn is giving us an option to run advertisements on different criteria and categories. Okay, you can click here and create an ad. Okay, what do they say? Advertising on LinkedIn helps businesses of any size to achieve their goals. Okay, you have a business goal, you can achieve it, is what it says. Okay, so there are 690 million active professionals who are on LinkedIn. It is across the globe. 690 million users in LinkedIn. Okay, so you can target those people by their job title, their activities or functions, their industry where they are, and other more options. Okay, and what they say, you can create very easy and effective advertisements, whether your goal is to generate leads for your businesses or to create a brand awareness of your business or brand logo or to even organize an event and encourage registrations, LinkedIn ads can help. So what LinkedIn says is to increase the lead generation, to increase the brand awareness, or even the event registration, LinkedIn ads can help you. Okay. Then we have a control over the budget and the cost. Okay. So flexible pricing options, which helps us to set up our budget and stop your ads at any time. Gentlemen, remember, not only LinkedIn, Google, Facebook, Quora, and any advertisement platform you refer to, okay, we have the control over our budget, we have the control over our audience, we have the control over the kind of text that we choose in writing these advertisements, okay, and there is a huge audience set available. Okay, with respect to Twitter, it is highlighted as one of the uniqueness. That's really good. Okay, so we will be creating advertisements in minute. Okay, which says like whatever the advertisement that you have created will be considered as a sponsored content. Okay, so you can increase the visibility of your content across devices like your tablet, desktop, computer, and also on your smartphone or mobile phone. Okay, all this content are sponsored content. Okay, the marketing solution adds this one, and also if you go here to click on learn more about sponsored content, you will be having the official documentation and the training material with respect to LinkedIn. Okay, where they say there are different advertisement types available. Okay, you can learn from there also. I'm going to teach in my own style so that you can easily understand the concepts. Okay, so after creating your advertisement, okay, engage your prospects in LinkedIn messaging where professional conversations can happen. So connect with people on LinkedIn Messenger and chat with them. You can create text advertisements that shows on the square shaped right side corner. Okay, so text advertising where people can click and come to your website, and creating a dynamic advertisement. So in advertisement industry, dynamic advertisement is something where you lead or you give only your website URL, and other types of advertisement like text, image, or online advertisement, or any type of advertisement that needs to be displayed will automatically be generated and displayed. That's basically called dynamic. Okay, so expand campaign reach, which means like reaching more people, which is similar to branding, with ads automatically personalized to your audience. So you give the input like 3 to 5 title, 3 to 5 description, and one image, okay, which is like horizontal shaped, one image that is vertical shaped, okay, another image which is square shaped, so that all this combination can be used to the best of its ability in different situations to create your advertisement and make it go live. Okay, so you can bid by yourself how much money I'm going to spend to compete with the competitors. Okay, you can set your limit on bid and you can win the campaign. So LinkedIn ads are sold by auction. Obviously you are competing with other people. You bid against the other advertising trying to reach the same audience. So based on the competition or the bid value that you are competing with other people, the amount of money you are going to spend differs. Okay, and the different bidding or strategy that is used. CPC means cost per click strategy. CPM means cost per thousand impressions, where you are trying to show to lots of people. Whether you are going to pay money for cost per click or cost per thousand impression is your choice. Okay, how you are going to set your pricing. Okay, or choose message ads. For example, if you want to run an advertisement which will drive visitors to your website, that can be used with the CPC. Or if you want to show it to lots of people about your advertisement, okay, that is based on the thousand impression concept, so cost per thousand impression. Or for each and every message that you send to your client, you will be charged, or only when your message is delivered. So there are different bidding strategies that is used under the budget category on LinkedIn advertisement. And obviously set up your budget on your own bid value, schedule the campaign on your ad set level or your campaign level, and go for it. Okay, so you can learn more about pricing here. Okay, so in fact LinkedIn also has the official documentation which is there on this particular platform. So if you go and search for LinkedIn for business online, you'll be taken to this place and it will teach you like this. Okay, different native advertisements are available: single image advertisement, video advertisement, carousel advertisement. You can use a single image to promote your ads. You can use a video content of 3 minutes to 5 minutes or even longer videos to promote. Carousel ads means like more than one image that you upload so that the image is shown one after another within a span of 3 seconds, 2 seconds, something like that. Okay, so you can run advertisements on the feeds, news feeds, whenever there is update is coming. Okay, and these advertisements will be shown as, sponsored content. Okay, so the process here is to get started with the sponsor content. First you need to make sure that you create a LinkedIn page, okay, which is basically, okay, for your organization. Grow your company's presence with a LinkedIn page. Okay, when you say LinkedIn profile, that is your personal profile. Okay, when you say LinkedIn page, that is for your business page. Okay, we even call this one as the company page. Okay, so if you already have a LinkedIn page created with a different ID or somebody else is having, you can request access from that person so that you can gain access. So you are required to create a LinkedIn page for your business. Once created, create an advertisement. Okay, promote them using an advertisement, and there is a tracking code needs to be installed. Okay, once that is done, measure and optimize your campaign to get better results. Okay, so there are training materials available with LinkedIn. When you have time, you can go ahead and explore all the training materials related to LinkedIn, and our course will continue to cover the information related to creating advertisements. Okay, the different concepts inside. Okay, which is similar to Google or Facebook or Twitter ads. Okay, it will be looking similar to LinkedIn ads too.